revealing the secret affiliate marketing strategies that the pros won't share, 2026. Have you ever wondered why some affiliate marketers seem to be making thousands of dollars while others struggle to make a single sale? What if I told you that the real strategies that the pros use are hidden in plain sight? Stick around, because today we're unveiling the secret affiliate marketing strategies that the pros won't share. Strategies you can use right now to start earning in 2026. Welcome to the channel where we teach you the ins and outs of affiliate marketing so you can build your online empire. Today we're diving deep into the secrets of affiliate marketing that the elite keep close to their chests. We're not talking about cookie cutter tips. I'm talking about the underground tactics that successful marketers use but rarely disclose. Are you ready? Let's get started. Targeting micro niches. The first secret strategy is targeting micro niches. You may have heard of everyone going after massive markets like health or finance, but here's the kicker. By targeting a micro niche, you face fewer competitors and a more engaged audience. Imagine you want to promote weight loss products. Instead of targeting the broad category, why not go for a specific segment? Think intermittent fasting for busy moms or postpartum fitness for new mothers. This gives you a laser-focused audience that's ready to engage with your content. Building trust through authenticity. Next up, let's talk about authenticity. It's all the rage now, and for a good reason. But here's the twist. While most marketers slap on a veneer of authenticity, pros go much deeper. They build trust through consistent, genuine, and honest engagement. Instead of trying to sell products non-stop, share your journey, the successes, the falls, everything in between. Your audience will resonate more when they see you as a real person. Utilizing scarcity and urgency. Now here's where it gets interesting. Scarcity. Did you know that professionals often create a sense of urgency with their promotions? You can add a countdown timer to create urgency, which leads to quick decisions from your audience. Have a limited time offer. Present it in a way that emphasizes it won't be around forever. Think something like only 10 spots left or sale ends tonight. These phrases can skyrocket your conversion rates. Email marketing with a twist. Surprising, isn't it? Many marketers overlook email campaigns because they believe everyone knows email is dead, but they couldn't be more wrong. Here's what the pros do that others don't. They craft personalized, engaging emails that read like a conversation rather than a sales pitch. Try segmenting your audience based on interests, and send tailored recommendations like a stylist picking out the perfect suit for a client. This personal touch can significantly improve your open and conversion rates. So, another hidden strategy is leveraging social proof. Instead of just relying on testimonials, consider showcasing mini case studies. Did one of your followers achieve significant results through a product you recommended? Well, create a detailed post breaking down exactly how they did it. Use images, stories, and analytics. This not only builds your credibility, but it also makes your audience believe that they too can achieve similar results. Have you ever noticed how engagement levels vary across different content types? The pros are constantly testing various formats, videos, blogs, podcasts, infographics, to identify what resonates best with their audience. Here's an idea. Take a month to experiment with different mediums and collect data. This way, you'll understand precisely how to keep your viewers engaged. Now let's pivot to analytics. In today's digital world, data is everywhere, and it's more powerful than ever before. While many marketers simply glance at their numbers, the truly successful ones dive deep into analysis, uncovering hidden patterns and opportunities. You need to track not only clicks and conversions, but also user behaviors, like how visitors interact with your site, where they linger, and what draws their attention. What pages are they landing on? Which content keeps them engaged the longest? Where are they dropping off? And at what stage do you lose their interest? The best part, You can use this data to make adjustments on the fly, testing and optimizing your strategies for maximum ROI and seeing results in real time. But hold on a second. Before you dive in too deep, there's something important to remember. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by so much information, not knowing where to start or what to focus on first? It's like trying to take a sip of water from a fire hydrant. There's just so much coming at you all at once. Don't worry, we're going to break it down simpler for you. Let's summarize these points clearly so you can harness the true power of analytics with confidence. Create engaging content. The next pro tip is the creation of engaging content. Are your videos capturing attention in the first few seconds? By adding a hook to your content, you're not only grabbing attention but also keeping your audience glued to the screen. Start strong. This could be a shocking statement or a question that makes viewers stop scrolling. For instance, did you know you could build an entire passive income stream in under a month? Cross-promotion with other affiliates. Ever thought about collaborating? Cross-promotion with other affiliates can significantly boost your reach and credibility. It's a win-win scenario. Partner up with someone in a similar niche to share audiences. Not only does this bring new eyeballs to your content, but it also builds an authentic community. This is how the pros establish long-term visibility online. Focusing on value over sales is what truly sets successful marketers apart from the rest. And lastly, let's get to the heart of it. At the core of every great marketing strategy is a genuine desire to help others. While you do want sales, the pros always focus on providing value first, because value builds trust and loyalty over time. During your marketing efforts, ask yourself, how can I help my audience solve their problems or reach their goals? This might mean providing free resources, helpful tutorials, or sharing your own experiences to guide others. You could also offer insider tips in your niche or answer questions your audience frequently asks. The more value you bring to your audience, the more likely they are to trust and buy from you in the end, because people remember who helped them. Remember, being an elite affiliate marketer takes time, patience, and a willingness to adapt and learn continuously, even when results are slow. It's not about quick wins, it's about building relationships, nurturing your community, and providing long-term value that stands the test of time. So, there you have it. We've just explored some of the most effective strategies that top affiliate marketers rely on to achieve real results. These not-so-secret techniques, like focusing on micro-niches, building authenticity, creating urgency, and delivering personalized content, are what help marketers truly stand out from the crowd. By also leveraging social proof, diving into data analysis, and prioritizing engaging content creation, collaboration, and value over just making sales, you can start implementing these proven methods in your own marketing strategy, no matter your experience level. As we move towards 2026 and beyond, the digital marketing world will only become more dynamic and competitive. The landscape will undoubtedly keep evolving, with new tools and trends emerging all the time. But these core principles will serve you well and help you adapt to whatever comes next. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of affiliate marketing and discuss more ingenious strategies to monetize your online presence and grow your influence. Don't forget to drop a like if you found this informative. It really helps us out. Your support motivates us to keep creating even more valuable content tailored just for you. Let's build that affiliate empire together and make your marketing journey a true success.